This video is about member management. When you work with members, log in as normal. Once you've logged in, it takes you to the particular screen, which is normally My Home. And you could also just hover over your name and find it there if you didn't land there. As you scroll down the page, you will find the normal Basecamp. And for today, we're just going to go further down to Club Central. Select the club where you want to add or change or do anything with members. And now you can see previously under club membership, there were 4 places that you could click. One to add members, another one for the club member roster, and another one for payments. And now it's just one place, member management. You go there. Here at member management, what do? Let's start off with looking at self-pay settings. Here you can ignite the self-pay. Be very careful. You need to speak to the club. It must be the club members that vote for this. And understand that if you add it that club members can pay directly, Toastmasters International, it immediately forfeits any monies coming to the club for the club to operate. There has to be a real good, strong motivation for that. So just be careful there before you ignite that. Next is, how do you want to view the page? In tile format or the way we used to see that? You can make the choice. I prefer how we used to see it before, and now you can filter it with those that have paid, etc. You can export everything out like you could for your club roster, or you can print it here. If you want to add a new member, this is where you go to just click and add a new member. And now you are at the same place that we were previously, where you add the member, adding their last name and their email address, and if that's not correct, add their PM number if they are a dual or reinstated member. But if it's a brand new member, you will just click that and fill everything in. Remember to add a sponsor. Remember, a sponsor is not the person paying for them, but the person that is bringing them on board. If it's one of your club members that have brought their friend in, put them down there as a sponsor. Right, let's go back to where we were at member management. If you keep it at the tile, all that happens is hover over the tile of what you want to change, click on edit profile, and then the same screen comes up, and edit the profile and save. Or add to cart. You can select which works the best for you. Back at member management, now I'm going to go back to having it the way I wanted it, and you can see here are my details. If I want to change anything, I can edit my profile by clicking on that, and then I can just go and make the necessary changes that I need to do for myself. When I'm finished, I can click save, but because I didn't change anything, I'll just close that. If I want to pay for me for the next round, I can just click add to cart, and then I will be paying for the next round. That, in essence, is the simplicity of the new member management.